What's the meaning of Arthur Rubinstein? Arthur Rubinstein. Arthur Rubinstein.
Arthur Rubinstein. Arthur Rubinstein. Arthur Rubinstein was a famous pianist of Polish-Jewish origin who lived from 1887 to 1982. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest pianists of the 20th century, known for his virtuosic technique and expressive interpretations of classical music. Rubinstein performed extensively throughout his career, including numerous recordings and live concerts around the world. He won several awards and accolades in recognition of his contributions to music, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom and the Legion of Honor. His legacy continues to inspire generations of musicians and music lovers.